So here we are at our mullein patch. Today we're going to show you how to make a mullein smudge stick. I think we got enough here to last us for a while. So first thing, what you want to do is collect the bigger leaves off towards the bottom, the ones that are nice 3-4 inches wide. See that little bug there? Guess what that's called? Yep, a mullein plant bug. That's what it is. Anyway, we're going to harvest these bigger leaves here without chew marks on them. But we'll get some and then I'll show you how to make a smudge stick. Okay, first before I show you the smudge stick, I'll show you even when we're just dehydrating, we still devein them, and we'll just do that with it, and it comes out pretty nice. So get it tore a little bit on each end, each side, hold it and pull it right through. Goes pretty slick that way, because you're not going to use that vein. So quick and easy way to devein your mullein for. Okay, so how did we get to this stage here, the smudge stick? We got our leaves here, like the 3-4 inches across here. What I like to do, I'll look at both sides of the leaf, make sure there's no bugs on them or eggs, and then we'll devein them. I just go down to where I think it'll be alright to roll it without having any problems. And there's no morning dew on them. There hasn't rained on them lately, so they're nice and dry already. So when they get rolled up and you put them in the dehydrator, it really doesn't take long. Maybe 5 hours at the most in the dehydrator. When we do just the plain leaves, they're done in a couple hours for breaking up and making into tea or for smoking. So the first two I lay with the point away from me. The other two I'll go towards me with them. So when you're rolling them up, you're starting with this part over here, and when you get to the end, you'll be starting with the 2 points that are left there that you started with. Then I just take my sinew, although you can use any cotton string or heck a shoelace if you had to, doesn't really matter. And after it comes out of the dehydrator, then we'll just cut the string off, and they'll stay rolled up for you then. But they'll be fragile, as any dried leaf would be, but as long as you're careful with it, it'll be alright. So there's that. And okay, so that's how you make a mullein smudge stick. Thanks for watching.